Okay, we're down on level 1 on the AmaLucia, and this is room 103, for example. I'm just going to give you a short tour of this room. The windows are up here, and the view. So you have a little chair, sitting table, desk. You can have night lights, you have USBs, you have power plugs. Night lights over the bed. The same this side. Plenty of amenities. You receive a lovely little luggage tag. And when you come on board, TV, there's some quiet sleep plugs by the look of it, complimentary water, and then in here is the bathroom. Towels, shower, dress robes, and in your wardrobe you are provided with umbrellas by 2, lots of coat hangers, mirrors everywhere. And then there's another robe, there's ice buckets, safe, and some slippers and extra blankets down the bottom. There's also over here more USB plugs and other outlets as well. There's an alarm should you need one, HDV port, this is where the phone is to connect into any of the staff. And they've been so welcoming and made it such a breeze. Yeah, it's great. Air conditioning adjustment here.